Let me tell you the incredible story behind one of the most iconic brands in the world, Lego. It's not just a toy. It's a symbol of creativity, learning, and imagination. But how did it all begin? Let's go back to where it started, in a small town in Denmark. In the early 1930s, in the town of Billund, a Danish carpenter named Ole Kirk Christiansen ran a modest workshop making wooden furniture and household items. Business was tough, but Ole was a man of deep determination. Despite difficult times, he remained committed to quality and craftsmanship. He used a motto that would guide his future: only the best is good enough. In 1932, Ole began making wooden toys. They were simple, pull-along animals, cars, and yo-yos, but they were crafted with care and attention to detail. His son, Gottfred, worked closely with him, helping both in the workshop and with ideas. In 1934, Ole needed a name for his new toy company. He combined two Danish words, leg godt, which means play well. That's how Lego was born. At first, Lego toys were all made of wood, but Ole and his team constantly experimented, trying to make better products. In the late 1940s, Lego became one of the first companies in Denmark to buy an injection molding machine, a cutting-edge piece of equipment that allowed them to make plastic toys. It was a risky move at the time. Plastic was new and not widely trusted. But Ole believed in innovation. One of the early plastic toys Lego made was a small brick with interlocking studs. It was based on an idea by a British toy designer, but Lego improved the concept dramatically. In 1958, Gottfried patented a new version of the brick, with hollow tubes inside that made the bricks lock tightly together while still being easy to separate. This was the moment that changed everything. The Lego brick we know today was born. With this new system, children could build much more complex and stable structures. It wasn't just a toy, it was a system of endless possibilities. The concept of the Lego system of play allowed different sets to be combined, encouraging creativity and storytelling. Throughout the 1960s and 70s, Lego expanded internationally. New themes were introduced, such as Lego trains, towns, and space sets. By the 1980s, Lego was more than a toy. It was an educational tool. The company believed in learning through play and began collaborating with schools and educators around the world. One of Lego's most brilliant moves was its commitment to quality. Lego bricks are manufactured to such precise standards that bricks made today can still connect perfectly with those made over 60 years ago. That's no accident. It's part of the brand's DNA. In the 1990s, Lego faced new challenges. Video games and electronic toys were rising in popularity. Lego tried many things, from launching theme parks to creating new product lines like Lego Technic and Lego Mindstorms, which combined building with robotics and programming. Some worked, some didn't, but the brand kept pushing forward. Then, in the early 2000s, Lego hit a rough patch. Sales were down, and the company faced financial trouble. But this was not the end. In fact, it sparked one of the greatest turnarounds in business history. Lego went back to its roots, focusing on the brick, simplifying product lines, and listening to what kids and parents really wanted. At the same time, it embraced new partnerships. The launch of Lego Star Wars and other themed sets like Harry Potter and Marvel brought new life to the brand. Fans loved the combination of storytelling and building. In 2014, the Lego Movie premiered, and it became a massive global success. It showed just how powerful Lego's message really was. That imagination has no limits, and that everyone, no matter their age, can be a master builder. Today, Lego is more than just a toy brand. It's a cultural icon. With YouTube channels, digital games, educational programs, and even sustainability initiatives using plant-based plastics, Lego continues to grow, while staying true to its original mission, to inspire and develop the builders of tomorrow. From a tiny workshop in Denmark to living rooms around the globe, Lego has built a legacy brick by brick, and it all started with one man's belief in quality, creativity, and the power of play. Thanks for listening to the story of Lego. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories from the world of innovation and imagination.